Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in yesterday's class I have asked you to solve the question number 3, right? So most of you have done it very well. Now the one who could not solve, this is a video in which you can verify your answer and rectify where you are having a problem, okay? So the question is, examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, measure of angle E is equal to 110 degree and measure of angle F is 80 degree. Okay, so you have to examine whether this triangle, whether the construction of this triangle is possible or not. Okay, triangle DEF is possible or not, such that what are the things given? EF value is given, which is 7.2, measure of angle E is given, which is 110, and measure of angle F is given, which is 80 degree. So you have to examine, right? So you have to make one triangle DEF. Okay, so what is the value of EF given? First of all, you'll construct EF, which is 7.2. But here, you have to first of all see whether it is possible to construct or not. Okay, so you have to make 110, which is obtuse angle. It is angle E, which is 110 degree. Of course, it is an obtuse angle. Angle F will be somewhere here. So do you think they can meet? So this is one way I can see that the possibility of constructing a triangle is not possible. So another way I'll check it whether it is possible or not. Just see. So what are the value given for angle E? It is 110 degree. What is the value of angle F given? 80 degree. Yes. So if you try to construct, your construction will look like this, which is in which the two lines are never going to meet. Yes. So this is not a triangle here. So with this I will say that the triangle is not possible. So I'll show you the another way also that. So triangle E, angle E is given, angle F is given. Now angle D, let's find out, which is we have to find. So you all know angle sum property, which we solved in the last question. The sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle E is given 110 degree, angle F is given 80 degree, angle D is equal to 180 degree. So you can easily see that 110 plus 80 is 190 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. Yes or not? Because whenever you are adding an angle, it should be less than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. Yes, the angle should be less than. But here when you are adding this two angle, the sum of two angle is already greater than this 180 degree. So if you try to get the value of angle D, it will be 180 minus 190 degree, which will be minus 10. So angle here D is in minus value. So even with this, we can say that the construction of triangle DEF is not possible. Why not possible? Because the sum of two angle, in bracket you can write angle E plus angle F is 190 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. So that's why we can say that it is not possible. If you try to construct like this EF and 110 degree, and do you think they are going to meet? No, they are never going to meet. Yes. So in this way, if they don't meet, then how the triangle is possible, and how the formation of the triangle is possible? No, it's not possible. So this is one way to say, or this is another way. So by using angle sum property also I have checked out that whenever you are measuring only two angle, it is greater than 180 degree, which is not possible. And here just see angle D is equal to minus 10 degree. Have you ever heard that any angle it is in minus value? No, it's not possible. So the reason will be this. So the possibility of, or the construction of triangle DEF in this question is not possible. All right. So you will not be able to construct this. Okay. So in your examination, if such question comes, first of all you will try to solve in such manner. Okay. Then you will say whether it is possible or not. So here the examine word is itself indicating that whether it is possible to form a triangle or not, that you have to see. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question, which will be our classwork. So our next question is from question number 1 from exercise 10.5. okay, construct the right angle triangle. Okay, you have to construct one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is itself indicating that your measure angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so you have to construct one right angle triangle whose name is PQR, where measure of angle Q here is 90 degree, QR is 8 centimeter, and the PR here it is 10 centimeter. So it's very easy. You people have done such questions earlier also. So first of all, we'll make a base here which is 8 centimeter with the help of scale. 8 centimeter. So here I make 8 centimeter. The name of this side is Q and R, QR, right? Next we have to make measure of angle Q, which is 90 degree. So I'm choosing here the protractor to make 90 degree. So I know you all know till now how to measure. So you make a dot here and join this dot Q and dot and this Q. Okay. So this is our 90 degree. Okay. Now what is given in the question? The thing given is QR, which is 8 centimeter. Sorry, it is 10 centimeter. PR is given. So let me write QR as 8 centimeter here. And the next given is PR 10 centimeter. So P will be somewhere here, right? Not this dot line, somewhere here, which I'll measure from R, because PR will be like this. According to this rough figure also, you can see PR is over here, not here. If you make from here, it will become PQ. You want PR because in the question it is given PR, isn't it? Then let's take the measurement of 10 centimeter. From here, 10 centimeter is here. Okay. Ten centimeter is quite big, so you have to be very careful when you are taking a measurement with the help of a compass. So this is 10 centimeter here. I have done a measurement. From R you have to do it somewhere, it will be like this. So this arc, wherever it is getting touched, so this point will be considered as P. Okay, now join this 2 point, that is P and R, which is 10 centimeter. So from here to here it is PR, which is 10 centimeter. If you count this also, then it will be bigger than 10. But here, that's why I have marked an arc here. Just see, from this point till here it is 10 centimeter, which is actually PR. So this is our right angle triangle. So at the last we will write, therefore triangle PQR is a required right angled triangle. Right, this is the triangle PQR, which is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means it is 90 degree. Yes. So I hope you have understood this very well. So in our next class we will proceed with the next question. Till then you people will practice the construction which we have done earlier. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.